everyone, I'm Steve with BSP Motorsports, and we're here again with another Tech Tip Thursday. Today on the alignment rack, we have a 1953 Chevy pickup, super clean build. It is upgraded with some modern suspension. So he's in here with some alignment concerns that we're sorting out for him. Did want to take this opportunity to discuss our alignment services we provide here. Basic alignment is going to be adjustment of toe, caster, and camber. Everybody knows alignments have an effect on tire wear. They can cause your vehicle to not track straight. Uneven steering wheel, these are all symptoms that you need your alignment checked out. We do suggest getting the alignment at least checked anytime you get tires replaced. So definitely keep BSP in mind for all your alignment needs. In addition to just basic street alignments, we also do full race setups. Whether you're just streeting your car or if you're actually going to the track and doing laps, we have the alignment set up for you. We have all the state-of-the-art equipment here to do full alignments, quarter balance, and ride height adjustments. Anytime you change those coilovers or suspension or ride height, you need to get that alignment checked out. So give us an email at BSP Motorsports for all your alignment needs.